Good morning students, we are going to learn calculus and Laplace transforms lecture 10. Here the outline of this video, we will learn topic of periodic functions. Definition of a periodic functions. A function f of t is said to be periodic with a period t. Here for all t, f of t plus t equal to f of t. That is after a certain period, f of t plus t is equal to f of t. So for when we see for a sine values, after 2 pi, sine 0 we are starting, and sine 90, then sine 2 pi, again the same values will get repeated in the waves, in the diagram. So the period of sine t is f of t is equal to f of t plus 2 pi, which is equal to sine t. This is a periodic function with the period 2 pi. Then where t is a positive constant, the least value t greater than 0, this t we call it as a period of f of t. So we have the periodic function formula. L of f of t equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e power minus ts integral 0 to t e power minus st into f of t dt. So problem 1, find the Laplace transform of the function f of t equal to 1 for a 0 to a by 2 minus 1 a by 2 to a. The given L of f of t formula I have written. Instead of t I have taken a. What is the interval 0 to a by 2 to a? So the period is a. So I have written 0 to a e power minus s into a e power minus st f of t dt. Now we have two intervals. So break the interval 0 to a by 2 and a by 2 to a. 0 to a by 2, what is the function here? 1. So after substituting f of t as 1 and a by 2 to a, substitute f of t as minus 1. So we are having two integrals. Now 1 by 1 minus e power minus sa, the first integral is 0 to a by 2 e power minus st dt, and the second one is a by 2 to a e power minus st into dt. Now on integrating, we get e power minus st by minus s, limit is 0 to a by 2. Then here the limit is a by 2 to a. So substituting upper limit minus lower limit, e power 0 is 1. And here also substituting upper limit minus lower limit, we get by taking the LCM, we will get 2 times of e power minus sa by 2 minus 1 minus e power minus sa whole divided by minus s. So this is nothing, further simplification, we get 1 by s into tan h of as by 4. Now problem 2, find the Laplace transform of f of t equal to t 0 to a and 2a minus t a to 2a, where f of t plus 2a equal to f of t. Here the period is 2a. We will replace a capital T as 2a in the formula. So we get a 0 to 2a can be again splitted as 0 to a and a to 2a because the interval was given in the problem. So for 0 to a the function is t. Substitute here, and a to 2a the function is 2a minus t. On substituting here, now we have to integrate this one. So it is nothing but 0 to a, there are two functions. So we can apply integration by parts, or we can apply Bernoulli formula here by taking u equal to t and dv equal to e power minus st. We get t into e power minus st by minus s minus of e power minus st by s square 0 to a. Similarly here, taking u as 2a minus t and dv as e power minus st into dt, we get these two terms. Apply the upper limit minus lower limit, and here also a to 2a. Then further substituting, we get e power minus 0 is 1. Then here also on substituting these two values. Then after further simplification, take LCM overall, we take s square 1 plus e power minus 2as minus 2 e power minus as, and this can be written as 1 minus e power minus a whole square. It is of the form a square plus b square minus 2ab. So the denominator term also can be written as 1 square minus e power minus as whole square. This can be, denominator term can be splitted, a square minus b square format, a plus b into a minus b I have written. Now 1 minus e power minus as and 1 minus e power minus as will cancel. So we will get 1 by s square into 1 minus e power minus as divided by 1 plus e power minus as. This is the formula of sin h as by 2 divided by cos h as by 2. Now sin by cos we write it as tan h of as by 2. Third problem, find the Laplace transform of half sine wave rectifier f of t equal to sin omega t. Interval is 0 to pi by 2, pi by omega, and 0 function for pi by omega to 2 pi by omega. So the total periodic is 2 pi by omega. So here this is the general formula. L of f of t equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus st. Integral 0 to capital T e power minus st f of t dt. The capital T is nothing but the total period 2 pi by omega. So now I have written, but we don't have function for 0 to 2 pi by omega. I have to split the integral. The interval, that is 0 to 2 pi by omega, can be written as 0 to 2 pi by omega. We can write it as this can be split as 0 to pi by omega plus pi by omega to 2 pi by omega. But pi by omega to 2 pi by omega value was 0. So we won't get that function. We will get only for the limit 0 to pi by omega. So here after taking a formula, we have a formula integral e power minus bx sin bx dx formula. Applying that formula and taking the limit 0 to pi by omega, because this sin omega is valid for 0 to pi by omega interval. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit and further simplification. Finally cancelling this 1 plus e power minus s into pi by omega from numerator and denominator, we get omega by 1 minus e power minus s into pi by omega into s square plus omega square. Thank you.